Welcome to another video, guys. Welcome back. If you're just joining me, welcome to the show. All the same, thank you so much for your support. In today's video, I'm only just showing you guys. It's not a full watch day to you guys, it is to me, but I just want to share with you guys the new way I have discovered in using this product, Schwarzkopf, the 7 seconds express repair hair. Is your hair relaxed? Are you stretching your relaxer this winter? If that is the case, leave me a comment below and let me know what hair product have you been using to help stretch your relaxer, and what hair product has been making your wash day, just a little bit easier for you. I would like to know. Talking about comment section, there are few comments I might not be able to reply to. That's because somehow YouTube seems to be making it through before I get there, filter out all these comments. Some of these comments, I don't know which word they're looking for in the comment, and they will just filter it out. I will get there, it will be like, comment no longer available. It's my channel, I can make a video, I can edit it, I can do all this crap. All of a sudden YouTube think I can't handle myself in the comment section. So if you've left a comment and I didn't reply back, that won't be my doing. It will be YouTube doing his thing. So I don't know how to get around that. I've tried setting the setting on in the comments, setting what you allow, what you don't want, but it hasn't worked. So it looks like that this part of the madness is out of my control. So if I haven't replied to your comment, that would be probably why, because YouTube have filtered out this kind of comment. Don't ask me why, I haven't got a clue. Moving on, guys, the technique I have discovered, or the little twist to this today, is I am going to transfer this into a spray bottle, which in turns is helping to make sure this product is getting exactly where I need it to be. Easy to apply, easier to apply, and I'm wasting less product. For those who are into all the natural hair product guru out there, I will try and screenshot the ingredients on that and put it somewhere within the screen, because there's nothing natural about this product, not as far as I'm aware anyway. So I will do that for you guys so you can see what's in there. I just quickly want to point out, alcohol was mentioned in that product more than my sambuca himself. So clearly my hair isn't having enough of this alcohol. Yes, come with me, let me show you how this hair is gonna get drunk once more. So this is how I've been wearing my hair under the wig the last few weeks. Just parted in the middle or all going back, and have it in one big plait and pin it against himself. That's how I've been wearing it, but I don't know how long I'm gonna get away with this, because as the new grow comes in, it's getting harder. My hair is 5 days. My wash day was due 5 days ago. So now, the first way I discover of tweaking this product and make it work for my advantage is to put it in that spray bottle. But the second way I've discovered is I'm not gonna do like a pre-treatment hot oil, first before I come on here. But no, I've discovered I'm gonna put this on my hair, and actually, let me show you my hair first. So I'm not gonna be detangling my hair prior to getting in the shower. Very contradictory to what I usually do, but thanks to this product and this new technique, it's unbelievable. You're gonna see in a minute. So let me quickly show you what my hair is looking like as of right now. Hair at least hasn't been detangled in 5 days. So if you are really interested in seeing how actually I use this product to make my wash day easier, reducing breakage, and save detangling. So if you're interested in watching how I do this, I suggest you stick around. You might want to, look away because up here is. So yes, see that sponge. For a minute, I thought I could get away without voiceover, but not a chance. Just a quick Sahara Desert I'm dealing with. Excuse my sound, I'm full of cold. I'm trying to avoid not washing this hair, but I don't think I have much choice. So let me show you what I did, what went on in the shower. I saturate my hair, wet it, try and remove as much product build up with just regular water for now. That's it, just drench it, rinse until most of the product is gone. Then that product that I apply or pour into that spray bottle is what I'm now spraying on the hair. Saturate, I know they say 20 mils to 40 mils depending on hair length. This is like do or die. We are not doing that, not here. So I saturate my hair until I know everywhere is covered. Massage that through and kind of pin it away. I'm gonna rinse the other side of my hair properly like I did the other side. Repeat the same thing, saturating my hair with this product, massaging it in, kind of using it like a shampoo until it lathers up. I suppose that's when the magic really happened of this product, softening the hair and stuff. So work it really in and pin that up as well. By the time I pin the other side up, the side I started with was already ready to be detangled, and that was how it all went down. It was just unbelievable how soft this product made my hair. Words cannot explain it. It's ridiculous. That is a hair that hasn't been detangled in 5 days. You guys have got to let me know what product it is you found. You used before, you finally found a way to tweak it, to suit your hair, what's there better. You got to let me know because this is mine. This is the second way I'll find out of using this product. So now I'm going to rinse this out and proceed to shampoo and deep condition. So there is no hair, well, 1 or 2 strands, right, on the top. Isn't this crazy? My idea of the wash day is to lose the least amount of hair. That is all the hair from not having detangled in 5 days. That is all the hair that came out of these 2 sessions. And you've seen how easy comb is gliding through my hair, and that is down to this product. I have not shampooed yet. So because the product lathered up really good, so if you notice, I was actually scraping my scalp. So once I rinse this out, I will only be doing just 1 lather of shampoo and I'm good as far as washing my hair goes. So this is it, guys. I mean, detangling is the hardest part for me during the last stretch. Softening that new growth product are gonna do what it's supposed to do and just have that wash day easier. So this is my way, guys. This is what I have discovered using this product. You want to call it a pre-treatment? I don't know. Before I was using this product as a co-wash. I wasn't sure if the 7 seconds effect, which I have no doubt it does what it says in 7 seconds. I have no doubt that that is the case. That, you know, it does what it says on the tin. But I just wasn't sure if that 7 seconds deep treatment is enough from wash day to wash day. So that's all the hair that's come out so far. That's it. So I wasn't sure if this 7 seconds treatment is enough to last me from one wash day to the another. So I've been using it as like a co-wash. But now I found this way of using it, which is just damping my hair, whack this on, massage it in, and my detangling is a breeze. It's a win-win. So let me know, comment under this video, right? Let me know what product you found, you've tweaked to, you know, make your hair journey, your wash day a little bit better. I would like to hear it. All right, until next time, see ya.